Splash! Splosh! Splashy day was Finn. Finn couldn't wait any longer. Today was a splashy day, and Finn was ready for some serious fun. He wiggled into his bright yellow swimsuit, the sunshine bouncing off its shiny surface. In his hand, he clutched a bright red watering can, his weapon of choice for the water battles to come. The backyard was a haven for water lovers. A rainbow-colored sprinkler showered the grass with sparkling droplets, and a plastic pool, overflowing with cool, blue water, beckoned Finn like a giant, glistening invitation. Finn grinned as he attached the hose to the spigot. He filled his watering can to the brim, the water a refreshing weight in his tiny hands. With a sneaky smile, he tiptoed behind a bright green bush, plotting his first watery attack. Suddenly, Finn jumped out with a loud yell, spraying his mom with a surprise shower from his watering can. Her surprised shriek turned into a peal of laughter as she saw Finn's mischievous grin. The splashy day had officially begun. Finn's playful spirit was contagious. Even Sparky, the family dog, couldn't resist the watery fun. Finn chased Sparky around the yard, his watering can spraying in playfulness. Sparky barked and dodged, his tail wagging furiously. The plastic pool was calling. With a joyful shout, Finn took a running leap and dived headfirst into the cool water. A spray of sparkling droplets filled the air, shimmering like tiny rainbows in the sunshine. Taking a break from his watery battles, Finn floated on his back in the pool. The sun warmed his skin, and the cool water tickled his toes. He looked up at the clear blue sky, a contented sigh escaping his lips. This was pure splashy bliss. Just then, a giant splash landed right next to Finn. His dad had joined the fun, armed with a cup of water ready for a playful attack. Finn squealed with delight as he splashed back, the water fight escalating into a joyous, splashy battle. As the sun began its descent, painting the sky with streaks of orange and pink, it was time to wind down. Finn sat on the edge of the pool, his hair dripping wet and a smile plastered on his face. His mom handed him a colorful cup filled with juice, a sweet reward for a day of splashy adventures. Wrapped in a warm towel, Finn felt a cozy tiredness wash over him. He snuggled closer, his eyelids getting heavy. Dreams of sprinklers spraying rainbows, watering cans launching surprise attacks, and a day filled with laughter and splashy fun filled his head. Finn drifted off to sleep, already planned.